Hey makers, it's Charlotte with the Wood & Wick Co. And today I'm talking about a maker business topic. That is how to run a profit and loss and how to track your inventory. So my tip for you guys will be short and sweet when it comes to these two pieces of information. First, as you scale and grow your business, these things will become more and more important. When you're just selling a few products, I understand it may not seem very important to look at a profit and loss statement or to really track how much inventory you have. However, it's great to set this foundation as you're getting started so that you can properly track how successful your business is, as well as track your sales over time, and again, set a foundation that you can scale upon so the more products you start to sell, you're already set up from an accounting perspective and you're ready to grow. When you're doing this, you can of course use a more simple and free thing like Excel or Google Sheets, and you can track your expenses as well as your income and create your own profit and loss statement in Excel. This requires you to obviously make updates into it yourself, but you can definitely use Excel if you're an Excel pro. That is a free way that you can manage your P&L. Also, you can use some very inexpensive software such as QuickBooks Self-Employed, QuickBooks Online. Both of these are very cost-effective ways to manage your accounting and your inventory all in one place. Will save you a lot of time and hassle, and it is less than like $20 a month. So check it out. It's great for small business owners. It's scalable as well as your business grows. And you can use these tools also, again, I mentioned, to track your inventory as well as to track your income and your expenses. So the P&L is the profit and loss statement. It's basically going to explain to you how profitable your business is or how much income you have after all of your business expenses. If you plan to grow your business, then it can be a huge benefit to get this set up. And as you need to invest in more inventory, you start getting bigger orders or higher frequency of orders, you can quickly and easily see how much revenue you have coming in versus what expenses you have to pay out. In addition, inventory when you're starting up may not be such a big deal. You can visually look and see you have 5 of this, 10 of this, 12 of this, etc. However, as your business grows, it may not be so easy to keep track of, and you want to ensure that you're reordering things when you need to so that you don't go out of stock. QuickBooks Online also has a great tool to track your inventory. You can use it to track all of your candle components or your spray components. Whatever it is, the product that you're selling can be tracked in that software as well. So there are many others out there. That's one that I personally have experience with and have played around in it with many small business owners. It is a great tool, and if you're looking for something free as well when you're just getting started, use Excel. But get ahead of the game and start tracking this information in your business early on so that you know how to grow, what your plan is to grow, and how much inventory you need and have on hand. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Happy making!